In this video, we are going to talk about finding the equation of the line. So what we have here is called the slope-intercept form, right? And where M means represents the slope, and then B represents the y-intercept. This means where our graph crosses the y-axis. So let's find the y-intercept first, which is the b. B is equals to 1, so it's crossing the y-intercept here, so that's 1. So now we're going to find the slope. So how do we find the slope? The formula for the slope is change in y divided by the change in x. So we have our 2 points here, and we want to use these 2 points to find our slope. So let's first find the coordinates of these 2 points, right? So the x coordinate here is 1, 2, so that's 2, and then the y coordinate is 1, 2, 3 right here. And then for the other point here, the x coordinate is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the y coordinate is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So now that we have the coordinates of our 2 points, let's calculate the change in y and the change in x, right? So let's call this x2, y2, and then this one x1, y1. So the formula that we'll use is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So let's just input our values into our formula. So what we'll get for y2 is 6, and then y1 we'll get our 3 divided by the change in our x2, that's 4, minus the x1. What do we have? We have a 2. So our intercept here, so it's 6 minus 3, that's 3 over 2. So this is our slope. So now we just input our values, the slope and the y-intercept, into our slope-intercept